Welcome. If you want to clone social apps in your VIVO Y11s, at the first you have to go for the settings, then tap on the search pool and type clone. Move for the app clone, and we are going to clone the Instagram, for example. So tap on the switcher and then just wait. Let's close this one and enter this application, and here we are logging to account, and let's check the second. Here it is, and right now we are able to log into the second account. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.